Ano-ano nga ba ang Principal Division of Criminology? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan ngayong araw dito lang sa RCJ4 TV. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, ay mag-subscribe ka na para isa ka na kaagad sa mga unang makakapanood sa tuwing may bago akong upload. So hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa at umpisahan na natin.
Okay, let's start!
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. This day we are talking about the principal divisions of criminology. Meron tatlong principal division ng criminology. Ito ay ang sociology of law, etiology of crimes, at penology. So let's first talk about the sociology of law. When we talk about sociology, it is something relates to a social life, changes, causes and human behavior. In regarding to law is a set of rules that are created and are enforceable by social or governmental institutions to regulate behavior, with its precise definition a matter of long-standing debate. It has been variously described as a science and as the art of justice. Whereas, the sociology of law refers to the investigation of the nature of criminal administration. In short, ang sociology of law mga kaibigan ay tumutukoy sa mga pag-aaral ng batas at mga epekto nito sa isang lipunan. Next is ang etiology of crimes. When we talk about etiology, it refers to the set of causes or the origin of an event. Anyways, ang salitang etiology ay tumutukoy sa mga sanhi kung bakit nangyari ang isang bagay, and when we talk about the etiology of crimes, it is simply refers to the origin of crime, or the study of the causes, or reasons for a crime. And last but not the least, is the penology. Ang penology mga kaibigan, ay nakafocus sa mga punishments and rehabilitations, including prisons and prisons administrations. The penology is also focused to the control of crimes and treatment of offenders. Penology is also covers areas such as theories of punishment, forms of punishment and etc. At siguro ay hanggang dito na lang po muna matatapos ang ating mixing video tungkol sa 3 Principal Division of Criminology. At maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakapanood at mga nakinig. See you on the next episode. Kaibigan, nagustuhan mo ba ang topic na ito? Sana ay may natutunan ka ngayong araw. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito ay maraming salamat sa iyo. Kung gusto mo pa ng mga videos na kagaya nito, ay mag-follow, like at share and subscribe ka lang dito sa aking channel at page upang patuloy kitang ma-notify sa tuwing may mga bago akong uploads. Hanggang dito na lang muna mga kaibigan at mag-iingat kayo palagi. At maraming salamat ulit sa inyong lahat. God bless at hanggang sa muli.